Hi, I'm Richard from ITS and we're going to have a look at the UR18DSDL Jobsite radio from Hitachi. It's a really impressive bit of kit that Hitachi have come out with and it's got the looks to back that up as well, as you can see. This is, as far as I know, the UK's first DAB and Bluetooth Jobsite radio. Some of the competitors have got a Bluetooth radio, some other competitors have got a DAB radio. As far as I know, this is the first one that combines both of those into one. First of all, as you can see, it's a really gorgeous looking bit of kit. Hitachi's history in the technological industry really played a part in this. It looks fantastic, but that doesn't mean that it hasn't got the sturdy job site radio attributes that you really need it to. Straight away you can see that we've got plastic protection all the way around it, 360 degrees up and down. So if you drop that from anywhere on the site radio, you're not going to damage the speakers or the screen, any of the display monitor. We've also got a rubberized multi-position aerial, so if that gets knocked about or anything, it's not going to get damaged. That can be stored away or obviously up if you're requesting more signal. So our speakers are on either side, so it gives you nice sort of variable sound whereabouts you are on the site and wherever the radio is located. Coming down to the front here where our display unit is, this is where we select through all of our different functions, and this really is a multi-function radio. So if I just pop this window open, you'll see that we've got a sort of a clamping system here. That is for a phone or an MP3 device of any kind. And what's really cool is these clamps here can be adjusted left and right depending on how big your phone is. Obviously I've got these preset to my phone, but if you've got a smaller one or a bigger one, then you can adjust it to them. And down at the bottom here as well, it might be difficult to see, but we've got a removable plastic cap that can be taken out and you can put in your USB cable or your aux lead, depending on how it is you want to connect your phone to the radio. And then they can be fed in through there, put the plastic cap back on, and you haven't got a mess, you haven't got wires dangling out, going out left, right and centre. You close that up, and bang, you've got a really nicely secure, safe phone there that's going to be safe from dust or from water, splashed water. That's going to be protected from that, but you can still see the display of your mobile device. Coming over here to the buttons here, we've got obviously your on and off switch with a nice display there which will display the time. It's got a digital clock for the time. Then it will display all the various selections of radio stations. So if you hit it onto DAB, you can get it to auto tune. And then we've got 10 presets where you can store your favourite digital radio stations. If it's on Bluetooth, that'll be the one how it tells you that it's connected to your device. Connecting your device to the Bluetooth on this radio is so easy. All you do is turn the Bluetooth on both the radio and on your device. Go on your device, you go through all the searches to see what near devices there are. You'll see Hitachi radio, one tap and you've connected. We've also got the added functionality of 2 types of alarm. If you wanted a normal bleep bleep annoying alarm, then it's got one of those that you can set against the clock, or it's got a radio alarm should you want to wake up to your music. Down here you'll see we've got a play, pause, skip and backward button. They're really handy because if you are connected via your device using Bluetooth, you can actually use those to control your device. You don't have to worry about taking it out to skip to the next track or go on to something else or pause. You can do that from here. So if your hands are really grubby or you're wearing gloves, don't need to worry about getting your phone out. So really full of functions, this radio. If I flip this around to the back, this is where our battery compartment is. And you'll see that this is compatible with any of Hitachi's 18 volt lithium ion batteries from 1.5 amp to 5 amp. But also it comes included with an AC cable, so you can plug it in wherever you want. 240 volt plug there. So even if you haven't already invested in some Hitachi batteries, you can still use this radio. It'll still be worthwhile. Once it's being powered, either via the batteries or the AC cable, it will then charge your USB device, whatever it may be, whether it be a phone or an iPod or any MP3 device. It will actually charge that as well, although it doesn't charge lithium-ion batteries. If you plug it in the AC, it won't charge your lithium batteries, which some radios obviously do offer these days. So that's the UR18DSDL job site radio from Hitachi with Bluetooth and DAB functionality. Of course, now available from ITS.